talk more about flowers. And wow, flowers, boy, are walls can help you with flowers. Yeah, or any other kind of visual or visceral feedback. But yeah, I've got this nice mural to play with. Again, it all starts with this, that if your poise spinning, say I've got my poise spinning forwards, and I'm standing in wheel plane alignment. So instead of facing the wall, I've got it beside me like a wheel. The poise going forwards, I can let my arm move in a big front crawl movement, which means my arm and hand are circling the same direction as the poi, or they can go upstream. And this is the first thing you need to get a real feeling for. Don't switch to poi. The poi is going forward, it's coming down in front. So the arms, try to just move your arm either way. One's going to be a lot easier. It's going to be much easier to do inspin. And then it's going to be it might be very counterintuitive to do this at first, and you'll go, whoop, and you'll switch. But don't. You have to learn not to, says I. Poi forwards, so the poi's coming down in front, arms got to lift up in front. And what'll happen is at this point, probably you get to certain places and your planes will just suck. And that's okay, that's what it's like to learn flowers. It's just going to take time. You know, maybe months. I want to do a 3-beat weave with my feet in a handstand. That's not going to happen in a weekend. That's like a year-long commitment. So you play with, it can circle forwards and it can circle backwards. And with time you'll start having a real feeling for the two, and it'll start to be more smooth. Ta-da! Now, inspin is the easier one to understand, because if you do a big extended circle like this, at any point, at any of the cardinal focus points, I can let it spin in past my shoulder. So when it's out in front of me on the horizon, if my arm stops, the poi keeps going, and that's an inspin. It spins in past my shoulder, that's why they call it inspin. Or my arm's at the top, it can spin in past my shoulder. At the top it spins down past my shoulder. Back there it can spin in. So I can add an inspin anywhere I want. It doesn't have to be in the cardinal, it could be on an angle. It's nice to work on the cardinals at first, just because you can really, they're so clear. Right? So you can play with it, do some of this, and at any point in time add an inspin. It's going to be a lot of work in the shoulders, so keep shifting. My left poi, I can do an extension, and I can add an inspin at any point in time. Now, one inspin doesn't really make a flower pattern. I'm going to do it on this side now, just so you can see what's happening. If I add one inspin, it's a very asymmetrical pattern. So it doesn't look very much like maybe some kind of lotus, but it doesn't look like a typical flower. It starts to look more like a flower when I mirror it. Maybe I add one bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, top. Now what I mean is that when my arm's at the top, the poi swings down past my shoulder, and when my arm's at the bottom, the poi swings up past my shoulder. But it's still, you can think of it as a circle, it's spinning into the center of the circle. The important thing is, I want you to start noticing, is this. If there are no inspins, there's still one downbeat. Boom. No pedals, no inspins, but there's still one downbeat, downswing, downswing. If I add one inspin, maybe at the top, now there's two downswings. Downswing, downswing, and the poi is swinging down past the ground. The poi's doing that twice. Down, 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 but there's only one inspin. Because at the bottom there's no inspin. So if I add an inspin at the top and the bottom, there's now two inspins. Inspin, 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 inspin. In past the shoulder, in past the shoulder, in past the shoulder, in. But now there's three downswings. That should, I hope that makes sense. The poi's going down, down, and down, 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 and down. But I can ignore that. I can just think inspin, 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 inspin. The trick is you want to, ultimately with flowers, you want to stop counting the downswings a lot of the time and focus more on the flower pattern, which is about the in swings and out swings. So if we face this way, my arm's tired. Again, I can also add here and here. Horizon, horizon. I'm letting it spin in on each horizon. in and in and in and in. Now again, there's 3 downswings. It goes down and 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 down. But I prefer to think of it symmetrically. It goes swoosh, inspin, swoosh, inspin down, inspin up, inspin down, inspin up. And so there's 2 inspins. And then ultimately I can add an inspin on every cardinal. Up, in, down, in, up, in, down, in, or in, or shoulder, 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 shoulder. I'm feeling the pulse of the poi passing my shoulder. And ignoring how many of these circles there are, because that can really be confusing. There's also times you'll want to do that. They're both useful. But people usually get stuck on counting the downswings, so that's why we're focusing on learning to count and feel the in swings, the in spins. Right, so if you had typical music going on, you could be boom ba ba 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 boom ba down and up and not counting boom ba ba boom ba. That would look like this. Boom ba ba 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 boom. It's going to be hard to make a nice flower shape with that if you're only counting the downswings. I really hope that makes sense. I'd love to see you guys making videos, and then I can check if you're unsure. But what you want at each cardinal, it's not at each cardinal the poi passes the ground. Boom, 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 and boom. Because it would look like this. Boom, boom, and boom, 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 and swoom. See how it's not symmetric? It's not a flower anymore. Boom, 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 and swish. Boom, boom, boom. Because I'm doing a downswing at the bottom, but there's no pedal, right? A pedal doesn't go like that. A pedal goes like this. Boom, 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 boom. And this, of course, is the one where there's always, some people are quicker to get this and some people are slower. So if you're unsure, make a video and I will tell you whether you've got it yet or not. And if you have friends around, give each other feedback, because I'm sure we will all get it. Everybody I've ever taught poi will get this. I'm pretty slow with some things too, like dating. But, slowly I learn also.